Okay, this is 2012 Volkswagen GTI. I have this problem when you start the car up. It's a big mess.